Hello students, welcome to Meetu maths classes. This question is from definite integrals and your question is evaluate integral 0 to 1000 e raised to power x minus greatest integer function of x dx. Now to evaluate this integral we are first supposed to find out what is x minus greatest integer function of x. And we know that x minus greatest integer function of x will give you a fractional part function, and the graph of this is like this between 0 to 1. It will be a fractional part function, okay, not equals to 1. When x is equals to 1, it will be again 0, and when x is equals to 2, it will be again 0. So this is the fractional part function. So the fractional part function of x will lie between 0 and 1. That implies this is a periodic function. This is a periodic function of period 1. Okay. Now after 1 unit, the values are going to be repeated. So this function is of period 1. Now there is a property of definite integrals that if you have to integrate your fx between 0 to nt dx, where t is the period of fx, then it can be equals to 0 to t fx dx, or आप n को n times integral 0 to t fx dx, where t is the period of your function fx. Okay. Now using this property, your I, let your I is equals to 0 to 1000 e raised to power x minus greatest integer function of x dx. Now what is greatest integer function of x? X minus greatest integer function of x. This is e raised to power fractional part of x. Okay. And fractional part of x has period 1. तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, 1000 times you can integrate between 0 to 1 e raised to power x dx. Okay, between 0 to 1 the value is equivalent to x only. Okay, now you will get 1000 times e raised to power x, the integral e raised to power x between 0 to 1, and this will be 1000 into e raised to power 1 minus e raised to power 0, and your answer is 1000 times e minus 1. So the value of your integral is this only.